Students, today we will start our next topic using function in chapter 2 of computer. Okay, so take out page number 26. Firstly, we have to make this table into our system. So here I can make this system. Students, you can see there is a data given in your book, and we have to firstly do the sum of these section. Okay, so here we can select this section, and also there is a option we have to put is equal to sum under bracket b2 and b6, sorry, d2 and d6. d2 is to d6 and close your bracket and then press the enter key. We got our total number. Okay, and the another option are also available. Erase the data. We have to select the amount, select it, and then go to the auto sum option. Here are the auto sum options, but firstly we have to go to auto sum option. You can see here we put select the auto sum and we get our answer, and you can see that the answer is same. Okay, and second is we have to got our maximum price of book in that content. Okay, so here we put is equal to max under bracket b2 is to b6 and close your bracket, then press the enter key. We got our answer, and 650 is the maximum price in that category. Okay, you can see that Catrice ink has the maximum price. And the another option is we have to select this data and then go to the auto sum, and here you can see that there is a drop down button. We have to click it and then click the maximum, and here you can see we got our answer 650. Okay, and the answer are same. Now we have to completed understand the topic using function, sum, auto sum and maximum. Now turn your page, take out page number 28. Okay, and we have to use the function library. Okay, so you can see in the title bar there is a formulas. We have to click it, and when we click there are too many options are open. Just see that. Okay, but firstly we have to select the cell. We will select it, and then you can see here is a option of maths and trig. In this category there are too many operations, so we have to select the sum. Scroll it down, and here is the sum option available. We will click here in total group and then click the maths and trigonometry, and then click scroll it down, and we have to select the sum option. Okay, we will select it. Here you can see the shell number are already given. Okay, we have to just click OK. If we click it, we got our answer. Here you can see that. So these are the some formulas which we have to use in our Excel sheet. Okay, and your chapter will become chapter has been completed. Students, hope you will understand your chapter easily, and if you have any doubt related this chapter, please ask me in Tino app. Okay, but you have to complete your chapter and understand your chapter easy way. Okay.